Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Summit Motorsports Park for the second annual Ganley World of Mopar exclusive Mopar event. We'll be seeing some drag racing, all sorts of different classes: nostalgia, super stock, CRT transmission pro, and introducing this year a Gen 3 Hemi class. That'll be cool to see. It looks like there's a lot of fast Gen 3 Hemi platforms on the property. So, just like last year, ASCini Racing, nice enough to bring me out. Brought their shop car along, this 2023 Charger Hellcat wide body. Absolutely gorgeous car. But yeah, it's going to be a good day tomorrow. Going to hit Cedar Point. That's also going to be fun. But for now, stick around. Let's enjoy some racing, swap meet, and a car show. Part of the car show and the swap meet. Looks like they're blending the two together this year. A couple Hellcat Durangos, Grand Wagoneers. Checking out some signs here at the swap meet section. Pretty much got everything. Demon, TRX. There's some last call Scat Pack stuff. Some old school. There's someone with a Scat Pack above that, or 1320 edition. It's all cool.
It'll fade so fast.
There's cars scattered all over the place. We'll go wander over that way and check it out. Over here at the car show section. Plenty of cars out today. It's a little early, so the show's just looking a little light. I know later on it's gonna get really packed over here. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. I'm gonna take a look at some of the highlight cars. Yeah, enjoy them. Got a really nice selection of Hellcats, a couple old school, a couple newer ones. Hellcat wide body, and then this 07 Super B. I do love these cars. Wish I was able to get the 08. Almost had one, but that deal fell through. Turns out that car was a piece of junk. I don't know, these Super Bs are so cool. 1,000 made for the 07, 1,000 for the 08, 425 for the 09. We might see one here, hopefully. Tons of drag racing in the back. I did spot something else over here, so I'm gonna go take a look at it. And we got ourselves a 300C SRT8, the first car to have the 6.1 Hemi. Finished in brilliant black, same color as my 06 Charger. His paint's a lot better than mine. That metallic flake. Car's in really, really good condition. Definitely wouldn't mind having one of these as well. Got this really clean Magnum SRT. Cool steering wheel cover. Sitting on Scat Pack wheels. The ultimate wagon. got some pizza from the pizza place here. Got a small glimpse of the track here. We're about to be running the Gen 3 stuff. I'm gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the pizza, and then see what I can see.
The elimination portion of our program. Class is over. We've got Mr. Anthony. Reaction time. So make the ring Transmissions Pro, you have been called to the staging lane. We are called Pro. We have National Anthem, and then we are going racing. Austinville, Michigan.
All right, time for some elimination. Scat Pack Shaker down there.
131
Yellow car.
miles an hour and the win. Mike Whitewood and Todd, your next pair. Folks, remember there is a time break in Pro, and it's 9 to 13 minutes.
Lane gets it. While I was watching the Top Gun races for qualifying round 2 go, third pass, someone spewed transmission fluid all down the track, so just kind of hanging out. Got the phone on the charger, chilling, waiting for them to call everyone back, and hopefully I'll be able to finish it. I'm trying to do it, record it in all one run, but we can see just how that's going. But until then, just kind of hang out and wait until they say something.
Wow.
Now this is sick. Hellcat power plant, red eye motor, wheels and Brembos, even the interior.
Look it. That is really cool.
That is crazy. Oh, I kind of want to do that.
I love that.
We're going to go to there. Kyle Miller, Worcester, Ohio, and Dan McNeil, Illinois. And advancing up. Michigan, Pam Dunning. Folks, we need Cook Racing Transmissions Pro Round 3. Mark Coleman, your winner. Now Brian Passick, Russellton, Pennsylvania, the son of Lane, and George Timlow Jr. The challengers, a 2012 and 2019. After this year, I need a go-fast car in my life. Brian Passick. I think you would ratchet me up with the women. Oh yeah, that's right. My wife's at home with my granddaughter. Wow, talk about somebody firing a machine gun at your hot air balloon. Yep. Breaks out by 200. Jason Holland, your winner. And Jason will advance on. Candace Vlasic, Butler, Ohio, in the Summit Lane, and Trevor Hilbert from Dalton here in the Ohio Catway. We need CRT Pro. CRT Pro. .67, 115 miles an hour. You go, girl, in that 2019 Grand Cherokee. Doing Grand Cherokee things. Jess gets the win. 9:29 for the 5 on a 30. Keith Custer breaks out. They both break out just by the least. Lotto Stover in the Summit Lane, and Phil Morrison from Massillon, Ohio. So, get smoked in and we'll advance on into round number 3.
And that car was stock cam too.
I do see the cars.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, main scene stand is shut down. A few things starting to wrap up. Sounds like there was smoke just happened out on the track. Yeah, it's still racing. Night has fallen. It's what, 8:30 almost. So we're just basically hanging out. Got the Hellcat right here. Does need tint. Jesus Christ, it needs tint. We got the Mancini shot car over here. It's all hanging out. Gonna be launching fireworks out that direction. Just like last year. For those who did watch last year's vlog, it's gonna be pretty much the same. But yeah, everything's starting to settle down a little bit more. They're running the finals right now. I'm probably gonna go look at that here. Yeah, this night's almost to a close.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for spending the weekend with us here at America's Racetrack, Summit Motorsports Park. We appreciate you, we thank you, and may God bless you and yours, and God bless America.
And ladies and gentlemen, that'll do it for this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll hope to see you in the next one.